with your presence. So this is an evening that we all have been waiting for more than a year. A lot of work and dedication has gone into making this evening. We sincerely hope that this will be an evening that you would enjoy as much as we have enjoyed creating this evening for you. Since Vidya's parents could not be here, I have a brief message from them to convey. So thank you all. So I'll hand this over to Siva.
Thank you. Good evening, everybody. Yeah, I just want to extend the thanks and welcome to our chief guest, Jessica. Thank you for being here. And also a welcome to Katerina Kanishi. We do have quite a good accompaniments here, all the esteemed artists accompanying, and thank you to them as well for being here and gracing us and enlightening and highlighting this concert. And then thank you all the Rasikas and well-wishers and everyone here for being here and all the people watching on live stream as well. Thank you for all the support and guidance. With that, I'll just hand over for today's evening to our MC, Srimati Sandhya Lakshmi Chandrasekhar. Thank you all.
Namaskaram and a very good evening to everyone gathered here. It is truly a joy to welcome you all to this special musical evening here in Phoenix, Arizona. A celebration of tradition, dedication and the divine power of Carnatic music. Before we begin, I'd like to take a moment to thank our wonderful hosts, the supportive husbands of today's performers, Shri Raghavan and Shri Siva Subramanian, for their warm introduction and for setting the perfect tone for this soulful evening. We are especially honored today by the presence of our distinguished chief guest, Kalaimamani Shri K. N. Shashikiran sir, an acclaimed Carnatic vocalist, co-founder of Carnatica and a guiding force in the world of Indian classical music. Sir, it's a privilege to have your blessings and presence with us this evening. And now, turning to the heart of this evening, we are gathered here for a concert that is more than just a performance. Tonight, we present a special milestone Carnatic vocal duo concert, Vidya Nivedanam, a beautiful confluence of two dedicated artists, Srimati Vidya Lakshmi Raghavan and Srimati Niveda Sivasubramanian. Who have poured their hearts into their musical journey. Under the revered guidance of Guru Vidwan Chitravina Ganesh, founder and president of Gayatri Fine Arts Global, these women have blossomed with discipline, humility and creativity, exploring the timeless beauty of Carnatic music. They are not just performers, they are also music educators, nurturing the next generation of Carnatic musicians right here in our valley. And what makes their journey even more inspiring is that they balance this all while playing the equally meaningful and beautiful role of mothers. Tonight's concert is a reflection of their devotion to their art, to their guru, to their students, and to their families. This incredible ensemble, whose music we are about to experience, will be joined by 3 outstanding artists whose presence is about to elevate the concert into a rich, layered experience. On violin, we have the exceptionally gifted Vidwan Shri B.V. Raghavendra, whose bow will breathe life into every melodic phrase. On mridangam, the masterful Vidwan Nanda Masti, laying down the intricate rhythmic framework. And on kanjira, adding finesse and sparkle and flavor to the percussion ensemble, the talented Vidwan Mahesh Subramanian. Also joining this team will be Kumari Aparna Chandrasekhar on the Tanpura. Together, this team will take us on a musical journey that promises to be rich, immersive, and spiritually uplifting. A few words about our honorable guest of honor for this evening. Kalaimamani Shri K.N. Shashikiran is a tech-savvy Carnatic vocalist, guru, composer, entrepreneur, curator, author, and social worker. He has accomplished over 6,000 concerts worldwide, spanning solo, duet, jugalbandi, Carnatic jazz, and thematic presentations. A child prodigy from age 2, he could identify hundreds of ragas and talas with ease. He pioneered the world's first CD-ROM and VCD on Carnatic music and introduced innovative concepts like Carnatic Symphony, Bharat Sangeet Utsav, and Pallavi Darbar. Alongside his cousin Chitraveena P. Ganesh, the Karnataka brothers, he performed a record-breaking 24-hour marathon concert, featured in the Limca Book of Records. Founder of Karnataka Global, he has organized nearly 8,000 performances and curated over 250 events globally. He has received prestigious awards, including the Kalaimamani Sangeeta Kalasagaram from the Cleveland Tyagaraja Festival, Best Concert and Raga Award at the Music Academy, and the Inspiring Human Award from the International Book of Records. May I request a round of applause for our esteemed guest of honor, please. It's my privilege to now introduce the distinguished accompanists. On the violin, Vidwan B.V. Raghavendra Rao. Vidwan Shri B.V. Raghavendra Rao is a distinguished Carnatic violinist, initiated into music by his father, B. Sudarsana Rao, and trained by maestros T.M. Krishnan and Dr. M. Balamurali Krishna. He has had the privilege of accompanying many leading artists and has garnered acclaim for his captivating solo performances. A recipient of multiple prestigious awards, including the Best Violinist, Music Academy, and esteemed titles like Yuvakala Vipanchi and Vani Kala Nipuna. Rao has performed on global stages at iconic venues like Carnegie Hall, Lincoln Center, and for UNESCO. His collaborations with legends such as Hariprasad Chaurasia and Bhimsen Joshi in Jugalbandis have been particularly noteworthy. Rao's compositional brilliance spans ballets, devotional albums, and fusion works with artists like Drum Shivamani and Nadaka, including key projects like Laya Project, Living Colors, and Takadimi Takita. A dedicated guru, he shares his rich musical legacy by teaching students across the US and mentoring young faculty at YADA. Let's have a round of applause for the talented violinist, please. On the mridangam, Vidwan Nanda Gopal, popularly known as Nanda Masti. He is a seasoned mridangam artist for over 35 years on the concert circuit. Introduced to percussion by his grandmother at age 7, he trained under Sri Arjun and later for 2 decades under late Sri Sosale Sheshagiri Das. A B+ graded All India radio artist, he has accompanied luminaries like Dr. T.V. Gopalakrishnan, T.N. Krishnan, and Sri Ranjani Santana Gopalan, performing at prestigious venues including Cleveland Tyagaraja Aradhana and Chennai Margari season. Known for his tonal clarity, emotive playing, and deep Guru Bhakti, he blends tradition with sensitivity. Also a marathon runner and professional MC, Nanda is pursuing a PhD in Carnatic music and is committed to using music for community well-being and service. Nanda owes his complete gratitude and humble pranams to Karnataka Brothers for giving him the first concert break in Chennai during Margari season. Let's give a big round of applause for the skilled mridangist, please. On the kanjira, we have our own Vidwan Mahesh Subramanian. A familiar and beloved presence in our valley, known to all of us for his humility, dedication, and meaningful contributions to the local music community. Mahesh Subramanian started learning mridangam at the age of 8 under Vidwan Sri Tiruvadai Marudur S. Shankaran. He had his first performance at age 12 and continued to receive advanced training from Sri Shankaran with a scholarship from the central government of India. He continues to learn the nuances of Indian classical music and percussion under Sangeeta Kalacharya Vidwan Sri Guruvayur Durai. He has also undergone training on the kanjira from Vidwan late Sri Mayavaram Somasundaram. Mahesh has had the privilege of performing with eminent artists both in India and US. Let's have a round of applause for the amazing kanjira player, please. Also, strumming the tambura, we have Kumari Aparna Chandrasekhar, a junior year student at the University of Arizona and a disciple of Vidwan Chitravina P. Ganesh. Let's give them a warm round of applause as we acknowledge these talented artists who will set the perfect tone for this memorable evening. Now, it's my pleasure to introduce Srimati Vidya Venkatesh, Director of Operations at Gayatri Finance Global. Vidya resides in Michigan and has played an integral role in advancing the organization's mission to support and promote diverse artistic forms. Her efforts have provided a platform for countless undiscovered talents to showcase their skills. I now invite Srimati Vidya Venkatesh to share a few words and introduce GFA Global.
Thank you, Sandhya-ji, for that kind introduction. I'm delighted to present a few words about Gayatri Finance Global. Gayatri Finance Global USA is a registered non-profit organization based in Michigan, USA, and it is also a registered organization in Chennai, India, with a mission to promote Indian classical arts worldwide. Since its inception in 2019, GFA Global has been a vibrant platform for both accomplished artists and emerging talents through concerts, music festivals, and workshops held primarily in its home bases of Michigan and Chennai. The organization is steadily expanding across the United States, having hosted events in Detroit, recently in Atlanta, and now marking a proud milestone with today's grand duo concert in Phoenix by these talented teachers Vidya and Niveda. We are delighted to present this special performance. Please sit back, relax and enjoy the music. Thank you.
Thank you, Vidya. We're going to try one more time to play Vidya's parents' wishes.
Sarsija, wish you a big success for your first concert.
I too wish a very grand success for the event. Everything will be nice, okay? Sarsija, I wish you a grand success for this great event.
As tradition guides us, we begin today's duo concert with the lighting of the lamp, a symbol of wisdom and auspicious beginnings. I warmly invite Srimati Vidya Venkatesh, Director of Operations at GFA Global, and the proud parents of today's performers to light the lamp and mark the start of this special evening. To commence this auspicious evening, we are delighted to invite Master Madhavan Shiva, Master Niranjan Raghavan, and Kumari Madhuri Raghavan to present an invocation prayer seeking the blessings of the Almighty for a successful and harmonious program.
शोक विनाशक
the moment we have all been waiting for, the talented vocalists of this evening. I am delighted to invite Srimati Vidya Lakshmi Raghavan and Srimati Niveda Sivasubramanian to the stage. They have dedicated months of practice and hard work, and tonight they will showcase their skill and passion for Carnatic music. Let's welcome. I'll just pause there. Let's also welcome the accompanying artists with a big round of applause as they take their places and bring this concert to life. Before we begin this evening's concert, a few housekeeping notes. As per the tradition of Chinmaya Mission, we request you to leave your footwear on the shelves outside and kindly help keep the area organized. We request everyone to remain seated during the performance and avoid entering or leaving while a song is in progress. If your child needs attention, please feel free to step outside briefly so everyone can fully enjoy the concert. Please also silence your phones and help maintain decorum throughout. Thank you for your cooperation. And a special announcement. Today, being Mahalaya Paksham, a special Jain dinner has been arranged. And we encourage you to stay until the end to enjoy both the concert and the meal. Now, let's sit back, relax, and enjoy this beautiful evening of music. Please join me in offering a warm round of applause as we begin Vidya Nivedanam.